Hi people, welcome back to Sweetest Honey Pot. In today's video we are making high-grade pussy sweetener. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. These are our ingredients. We have Bagaruwa seeds. I'll talk about it in my next video. And we have the dede root, licorice, and we have Mondia, which is assassin ham. I've already spoken about that one in other videos. We have ginseng. We all know ginseng and what it does. And we have Amaria candies. These candies are they are sweetness. You can eat this before sex and it's good. It's just like the lamb sugar. So this is lamb sugar or sugar lambs. We'll be adding to our sweetener. It's also a sweetener you can eat on its own before sex. And we have here spirits. You can use dry gin, vodka, rum, or any spirit you have. And this is my empty bottle, Castlebridge empty bottle. And for the alcohol I'm using dry gin, okay, London dry gin. So this is how you pack everything into the bottle. Okay, I did this off camera because of time. So you make sure everything is inside this bottle. All ingredients are inside this bottle. And make sure if your herbs are dirty, you wash and dry them first before using them. Yeah. Okay, so after this you just you add your alcohol. Okay, so if you don't like alcohol, you can just add water, okay, and it will still be fine. So just like I'm doing right now, you add it. After that you cover it and then keep it for a week. But you can start drinking after 3 days. Okay, I'm done now, and we'll keep this for 1 week before straining and then transferring into another clean bottle. Guys, this is the real ish, you know. This will make the pussy drip with wetness. It will enhance your sexual life. And I mean, the bonding will be great with your partner. The energy level, I won't talk about. You try this and then give me a review. Okay, try this and tell me what happened. I have this specially made for sales. The same recipe, but that one has some other herbs, about 2 herbs added to it, okay, but all works perfectly well. So this is how it looks after 1 week. So I'm gonna strain this and then that's it. Okay, so you can take a shot or 2 shots of this one, what we call tots in Ghana. Yeah, so 1 or 2 shots before, let's say 30 minutes or an hour before sex, and you are good to go. Okay, so be that boss chick. Guys, you are not left out. This is for you. So just give me a call or WhatsApp and get yours.